A nice cup of coffee can set you back around $4 to $5 or so in the US. You drink it and it's gone. It was good to drink it. You needed it. But now it's gone. But for the same price as that coffee, or just a tiny bit more, you can get these 10 fantastic must-have items from Ikea. They all cost what that cup of coffee would. 1. TBars table lamp. Ikea's designers were charged with designing the world's cheapest lamp without compromising on design. The TBars table lamp will look amazing in any room of your home, and it is an absolute steal at just $3.99. It's an amazing piece that looks quite futuristic and will work in any home and any room. 2. Brass coffee measure and clip. This is an amazing item. Well, actually 2 items in a set from Ikea that certainly costs less than most cups of coffee, which is quite ironic as it is for coffee. The brass spoon is the perfect size for measuring out your coffee accurately, and the clip is so handy for keeping not just your coffee packet sealed, but also for keeping the spoon close by. 3. Dragan toothbrush holder. The incredibly trendy and practical Dragan toothbrush holder costs just $4.99 in US Ikea stores. Made of bamboo, this lovely toothbrush holder not only looks good, it's also so durable. Bamboo is a warm, calm material, and it makes any bathroom just look great. I think you will agree that it looks far more expensive than it costs. 4. Is Burget tablet stand. This tablet stand is so affordable, yet it is so incredibly useful. You would really be prepared to pay more for this amazing little tablet stand. It costs just $3.49 in US Ikea stores, and that is definitely less than I paid for my cup of coffee this morning. 5. Set of 3 accessory bags. This set of 3 Callous accessory bags is a must-have. The bags are perfect for keeping pens, pencils, chargers, notebooks, and whatever you need to store organized and to hand. They can be used at home, at work, or at school. They are made of lovely soft felt, and they look so stylish too. The set of 3 bags is just $3.99. 6. 5-piece desk organizer. This is a 5-piece set of various sized boxes that will organize any workspace or desk in your home or your office. At just $4.99, it is an amazing price for such a useful set. You can keep just about anything organized on your desk. There is a box for just about everything you need to organize in this set. 7. Smaska Kids Lunchbox. The Smaska Lunchbox is a fun dog-themed lunchbox that kids will love. The hard plastic keeps all food from being squashed, even in the depths of their backpack. It is easy to open for little hands too. It is also so easy to clean and is dishwasher safe. 8. Bag Organizer Insert. If you are constantly doing battle with your bag, trying to find what you need quickly and easily, you will really love this insert. Made of soft felt, in a color that will complement most colors of bags, this insert is just $4.99. You can organize all your bag contents and quickly and easily find what you are looking for. It also makes moving your items from bag to bag so much easier. 9. Callous Bowls. The 6-piece Callous Bowl set is a must-have if you have kids, or even if you don't. It features 6 bowls in different bright and cheerful colors that can be used for just about any foods. They can even be used as paint and craft pots. They are so durable, and they won't break or scratch at all. They are also microwave and dishwasher safe. 10. Loose Stick Coloring Roll. This coloring book in a roll is simply amazing. For just $4.99, you get 32 feet of coloring fun. It will keep your kids entertained for hours, but what's more, it can also keep you entertained for hours. If you need a stress relief and something relaxing to do, this will be it. As you can see, all these 10 featured products are great must-have products from Ikea, yet they are incredibly affordable and low cost.